Okay, so nandito na tayo sa ating screen. Punta lang tayo dito sa ating Google Chrome. I-type lang natin yung Surf to Sawa loading or Surf to Sawa load. And then, lalabas na yung S2S website. I-click lang natin. Okay? Then, after, i-scroll down mo. Scroll down natin kung alin ang package na gusto natin, and then dun sa taas i-click natin yung 3 lines para makita natin yung top up. And then sa baba, i-scroll down mo lang, click mo lang yung continue, click mo yung dito ang pinili ko is yung 700, good for 1 month na siya. And then makikita natin yung S2S account number. Ayan, ipipaste lang natin yung ating account number, and then pay now, yes. Confirmation, yes lang natin. And then, we will have to fill out the payment information. So, magbabayad tayo using GCash. And then, our customer information, lalagay lang natin yung ating email, contact number, and our name. Okay? And then, i-click lang natin yung next sa baba. Okay? Check natin yung ating details, payment information, billing details. Okay? Then, I have read and agreed to pay Mongo's privacy policy. Next mo lang yon. And guys, dito, dadalhin niya tayo sa GCash. So, maglalagin lang tayo sa ating GCash para makapagbayad tayo dito sa ating Surf to Sawa prepaid internet. Okay? Login lang tayo, and then i-enter lang natin yung 6-digit authentication code. And then, next. And then our MPIN, GCash MPIN. Next. Okay, so intayin lang natin siya. Yan, ganyan lang kadali kung paano mag-load ng Surf to Sawa prepaid internet. Okay, and then, check natin. Total is 700, so wala siyang charge, guys. Okay, pay, and then we click the proceed. Yan. So, GCash payment successfully received. You may now close the window. Okay, so pumasok na yun. Makaka-receive tayo ng notification na pumasok na ating load or na-load na natin yung ating Surf to Sawa prepaid internet. So, you are now registered to unlimited internet valid for 30 days for 6 gadgets. Ayun.